Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Vande Mataram. Friends, do you know our Independence Day is coming? Today I will make a cloth for Independence Day. We need glue, scissors, pencil, saffron and green and white. Let's start. We will cut the paper in square shape like this. Apply some glue here and paste it like this. We need to make cones like this. Draw a circle and cut it like this. Apply some glue here and paste it like this. Make a circle